Suit for declaration with the consequential relief of permanent injunction. Section 34 of the Specific Relief Act. Discretion of court as to declaration of status or right. Any person entitled to any legal character or to any right as to any property may institute a suit against any person denying or interested in denying his title to such character or right, and the court may in its discretion make therein a declaration that he is so entitled, and the plaintiff need not in such suit ask for any relief, provided that no court shall make any declaration where the plaintiff being able to seek further relief than a mere declaration of title omits to do so. Section 38. Perpetual injunctions, when granted, subject to the other provisions contained in or referred to by this chapter, a perpetual injunction may be granted to the plaintiff to prevent the breach of an obligation existing in his favor, whether expressed or by implication. When any such obligation arises from contract, the court shall be guided by the rules and provisions contained in chapter 2. When the defendant invades or threatens to invade the plaintiff's right to or enjoyment of property, the court may grant a perpetual injunction in the following cases, namely, where the defendant is trustee of the property for the plaintiff, where there exists no standard for ascertaining the actual damage caused or likely to be caused by the invasion, where the invasion is such that the compensation in money would not afford adequate relief, where the injunction is necessary to prevent the multiplicity of proceeding. When a suit for injunction and declaration would lie, any person who has any legal character or any legal right as to any property by virtue of title, deeds, or otherwise may file a suit for declaration of those rights and for injunction against any person denying or interested to deny his title to such character or right. When a plaintiff is in lawful or peaceful possession of property, and such possession is distributed or threatened by defendant, a suit for injunction simpliciter will lie. A person has a right to protect his possession against any person who does not prove a better title by seeking a prohibitory injunction. But a person in wrongful possession is not entitled to an injunction against the rightful owner. Second, where the title of the plaintiff is not disputed but he is not in possession, his remedy is to file a suit for possession and seek in addition, if necessary, an injunction. A person out of his possession cannot seek the relief of injunction simpliciter without claiming the relief for possession. Where the plaintiff is in possession but his title to the property is dispute or under a cloud, or where the defendant asserts title thereto and there is also threat of disposition from the defendant, the plaintiff will have to sue for declaration of title and consequential relief of injunction. Where the title of the plaintiff is under cloud or is dispute and he is not possession or not able to establish possession necessarily, the plaintiff will have to file a suit for declaration, possession, and injunction. In view of the above judgment, any person can file a suit for declaration and injunction with regard to any legal character or rights as to any property against as to any property against any person who is denying or interested to deny his title or such character. In a suit for seeking declaration with regard to a right or title in respect of property along with consequential injunction, the plaintiff will have to pray for declaration as contemplated under section 34 of the Specific Relief Act 1963 as interim injunction during the pendency of the suit under order 39 of the Civil Procedure Code 1908 and a mandatory injunction under section 38 of the Specific Relief Act 1963.